So in example 19, right, we'll be using the cosine rule to find angle. Usually a lot of people will make mistake for a start. Okay, so let me show you where is the mistake. Okay, so I'm going to make things easier. I'm going to call this angle X. So I'm just making my notation easy. So this is only one arrow. So it looks very simple. It looks very simple like this. So from your cosine rule, 7 square will be equal all the way connected to cosine X. And then you form the fake Pythagoras. You form the fake Pythagoras and you subtract. Okay, you need to be careful because the cosine X is attached to a number, multiplied to a number. So let's look. You don't press everything straight. So the common mistake will be a lot of people will press everything straight away. So the 100 is multiplied to cosine X. So you should move the 100 over to the other side. And you move the 49 over. So you should do something like this. If you don't do something like this, you might end up getting a math error. So some people end up getting a math error. They will get the math error when you try to do the inverse. So if you are using cosine rule to find angle, you cannot directly punch everything. There are some numbers being attached to the cosine X. So it's multiplied to the cosine X. So you got to reshuffle them carefully first. After that, that will help you to find the area of the triangle because you can do your half AB sine C. So usually if I'm doing this, I will preserve my 40.5. I will try to preserve so that I don't get marks deducted. And usually I'll write a lot of decimal place for my area because in the next part, I need the shortest distance. So in the next part, I need the shortest distance from D to EF produce. That means I produce, extend EF. So I'm going to extend EF. So this is the distance that I'm trying to find. So it will be the same method as the previous question. It will still be a half times base times height. The area that you are using shouldn't be the 3SF area. It should be the chain of area so that you don't lose the accuracy. So the shortest distance is always found by area, half AB sine C versus half 等比上係。So half AB sine C was learned last week. So in a typical question, right, everything can be combined together. So that is the use of cosine rule to find an unknown angle.